Smokey here from Spartan Airsoft, and today we are doing a paint job on the classic Army M15A2. I am doing an update. I'm putting some green in it. Let's begin. Okay. Using this kind of leaf. Alright. Okay. That's good enough. Next. That is my hand grip. It would not come off, so I said screw you, I'll just tape you up. Let's change leaves. Next, it's my grip. The screw is messed up, so that doesn't come off either. But who cares? And I'm going to do this now. Alright. Just a small one. Oh. Alright. Next is the stock. Just to let you know, there are other Spartans. I moved. Trying to move back. It's kind of hard when you're not really rich, like a lot of people around here. But yeah. I'm going to stand this up, do the other side. Turn that trigger a little bit. Let's turn this over and do this. Alright. Smokey out.